The English countryside, known for its rolling hills and peaceful landscapes. But there's one day every year where everyone completely loses their mind. This is the annual Cooper's Hill Cheese Roll. The rules are simple. Roll a wheel of cheese down one of the steepest hills in England and chase it. The first person to the bottom wins the cheese. The rest, just fearless fools tumbling down a hill and risking serious injury just for dairy. Thousands of spectators line the hill every year to watch the absolute carnage. Men and women compete in separate races, and then there are even uphill races where competitors sprint up the hill to win the cheese. Once the event is over, organisers try their best to stop the crowds from charging down the hill, but by this point, everyone has completely lost their minds. Spectators storm the slope in chaos, only to be rugby tackled by the Brockworth rugby team waiting at the bottom. How to get there? You won't be able to drive anywhere close to Cooper's Hill on event day. There's limited parking at the local Toby Carvery, which costs £10 and you'll have to pay in cash. From here, expect a long and very steep walk up to the hill. Leaving the event can be busy, but despite the crowds, the traffic moves surprisingly quickly. Thanks for joining me as I checked out the madness of the annual Cooper's Hill Cheese Roll. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.